Guys, when you update your Instagram account and if you go to the camera section on Instagram, for some people the Reels option will not be available. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get that Reels feature on your Instagram account. So do watch this video carefully till the end. And guys, by the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching TechnoVaz. And guys, if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel or your Instagram account, then you're on the right place. So consider subscribing. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Guys, you can see here I just updated my Instagram application. Now, if I go to my Instagram camera, at the bottom you can see that I don't have the Reels feature. Now guys, what you should do is take a screenshot of this screen and go to your profile and also take a screenshot of your profile. Now once you have these two screenshots, go to your profile and at the right upper corner you'll have this 3-line option. So click on this option. Now click on the settings option and click on help, and here click on report a problem and again tap on report a problem. Now here what you should do is just tell Instagram that you're having this problem on your account. Guys, in the description of this video I've already typed and kept the information. So all you have to do is just copy and paste. Now the second thing you should do is attach that screenshots here. So just click on the plus icon. Guys, once you have attached both the screenshots, just click on the submit option. Guys, once you click on the submit option, within 48 hours you will get this Reels feature on your Instagram account. Guys, in case even after 48 hours if you don't get this Reels feature on your Instagram account, then do let me know down below in the comment section. I'll help you out. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, on this channel I make all YouTube growth related videos and Instagram related videos. So if you're a YouTuber or Instagrammer, then consider subscribing. Okay guys, now if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.